the vision mission of the institute. This is the laboratory, this is the setup, and this is the total lab of electronics and communication. So welcome to the optical fiber communication laboratory. These are the kits which are required for the laboratory. Kit we require the power supply, and this power supply is to be connected having the terminals which is to be connected here along with the proper orientation, because it is having notch and it will not get connected in either way. So this will be connected only in one way. So this is the power supply cord for this power supply block. This is the digital storage oscilloscope which is to be connected the signal with the help of this cords connect cable, and this DC cable is to be connected here. So after connecting this DC cable, make this switch on and switch of the heat also make on, so that this LED glows. Hit on this CRO connection and turn on the CRO. So CRO ready for the use, and we can connect the cables to the CRO, and for second channel also, so that these cables can be used for the measurements. So we will be able to observe if we connect the second cable to the same point, we will be able to observe the second one. And probes are now able to connect the signal, so that is checked. So these are the two supporting boxes which are containing the required components, the optical fiber cables, the fiber cables and other components and connectors, electrical connectors rather. These are the fiber connectors, okay, and these are the electrical connectors, okay, having the conducting part. Function generator which is having one, and this is for digital transmission, digital signal. This is for 1 kHz square wave, this is for 1 kHz sinusoidal wave, and the gain can be adjusted for this. We can vary the gain, amplitude can be varied. This is 5 volt, this is ground connection available. So this is the optical link circuit. So this is the optical link circuit which is having the emitter and detector. This is the source, this is the detector. So input can be connected here, which is get converted into the optical signal, as we are seeing the output of the emitter LED. And this output signal optical signal can be connected through cable to other side of the channel, that is the photodetector is placed here. There photodetector detects the signal into electrical form. This is amplified and we get output. So this is the optical channel. Then there is a AC amplifier circuit which is amplifying whatever the detector signal is outputted here. If this amplitude you want to increase, we can use this amplifier by connecting the output to this input of the amplifier. We can change the gain also, adjust the gain also. We get here the output of the amplifier which we can observe on the CRO. Whatever the block we want to use, we can connect it with the help of external cable which are provided here. Red colored cables are there which we can use for the connection. So we have connected the input electrical signal 1 kHz square wave to this input of the emitter LED, that is light emitting diode, which emits the light here as we have seen, and this is connected through optical cable which is having this output in optical form. So this is the optical cable having the output in the optical form which can be connected to this photodiode. Now the connection is completed. Whatever we are connected, let us revise. We are having the 1 kHz signal square wave which is electrically connected to the emitter circuit. LED emitter emits the light. This light is taken to the other side from transmitter to the receiver by the optical cable. At receiver there is a detector. Detector will detect into electrical signal, and this electrical signal is then connected to the AC amplifier, which is having this output connected to our digital storage scope on the second channel, whereas input is connected on the digital storage on the first channel. Okay, and you can observe this on the digital storage oscilloscope. The setup is same that of the analog channel setting. Now we will set the digital channel. So input is given, either you can give this 1 5 volt or ground to the input, but we are giving here the 1 kilohertz square wave, so alternate ones and zeros will be there in the square wave. One amplitude indicates 1 and another amplitude indicates 0. Generally high amplitude indicates 1, low amplitude indicates 0. So 1 kilohertz is given to this input, and this fiber connects it to the detector on a receiver, and the receiver is having amplification, and we will observe here at the output. So input as well as output both are observed here on the CRO. So consider yellow as the input, and yellow is input, and purple is output on this channel. So whenever there is a 0 symbol, purple also shows 0. Whenever there is a 1 symbol, purple also shows 1. That means 0 is sent, 0 is received, 1 is sent, 1 is received. And these are the amplitudes for the input as well as output channels. So V peak to peak 5 volt for channel 1, and V peak to peak 5.6 volt again for the output channel. So 5 volt is inputted, peak to peak 5 volt is coming at the output. So amplitudes are same. So whenever there is a on, output is also on. Whenever there is off, output is 0. Whenever there is 1 in the input, 1 in the output, 0 in the input, 0 in the output. So this is the digital signal channel setup of the optical fiber communication. The setup is the same setup as it is the analog signal square wave and sinusoidal wave. We are using square wave is connected electrical signal as input to the source, and fiber is connected, and fiber is connected detector. Detector is the electrical signal, both input and output are observed. And there is intensity modulation. You can observe here, if the input is intensity is changed. So as the square wave is constant wave, it won't change the input. So intensity modulation for the digital, the square wave is connected, 1 is taken as high as a 1, low as the 0. Electrical signal connected to source, optical fiber connects transmitter to receiver, electrical is converted, photoreactor converts optical to electrical, which is given to the amplifier. Both the signals are observed on the CRO, and the intensity modulation is 1 is giving 1 and 0 is intensity is modulated at 0. Okay. So doing the same peak to peak voltage. So this is the digital intensity modulation.